Alright guys, welcome every one of you back to this channel. This is John Bex FX. Alright, I have not dropped some strategy for a very long time now on this channel. Alright, so I am here with a brand new strategy, a winning strategy, a strategy that can double your account, a strategy that will make you smile, a beautiful and trust me, that strategy that you need when you want to trade VIX 75, okay, is the strategy I brought to you, okay. Sorry guys, it's that strategy I am here to show you here on this video. All right, so please, I believe you are all good out there. I believe you guys are all good out there, and you're doing pretty well in your trading and other things in life. All right. So as always do here, so I am saying to you to please, if you're a new person here on this channel, John Bex FX, I want to plead with you to subscribe to my channel and like the videos and let your notification turn on, okay, in case you can easily be notified on each video I drop here on this channel, right? I'm saying to you as a new person here on this channel, that's how we do it here, and perhaps can leave some good comments too, alright? If the video interests you, can say something, alright? Say something, alright? For the fact that the video has interest, you can say something, alright? If there's any area you don't understand as well too, you can as well say something, and I will guide you up, alright? So that's how we do it here. Subscribe to my channel and like my video. And I want to welcome every one of you back to the channel. John Bex is saying, you guys are welcome back, all right? So I quickly want to show us this magnificent strategy that you can use to trade your VIX 75, all right? VIX 75, and you know this pair is very volatile. It's a pair that if you get it right, you're making money. If you get it wrong, and you know what will happen, all right? So you need to apply patience while you want to trade on this pair. You need to follow it up with patience. You know, you need to check out the price actions and all the rest of that, and make sure you get it right, all right? So you can do the needful and make money, all right? I believe we are all here to make the money, all right? That's why we're here. That's why we're trading. That's why we are trader, okay? We trade to make money, all right? So I want to also inform you guys that there are other programs that I also manage here, right? I am talking about the account management programs that I handle people account and trade in the account and trade in the account, whatever I make at while trading on the account, whatever I make at while trading on the account. So we can split it by 50, all right? Can split it by 50, but I want to also assure you that I stand more winning chance. Like I win 8 out of 10. All right, so I win more. Okay, so you know this is forex. Sometimes you don't just you can't fake it. All right. Sometimes we experience the drawdown, but what keeps you on and what keeps you going is the ability to recover when things like that happen. And you also know that when you follow it, when you do it right, you have a good entry, okay? Even when you are losing, all right? Even when you lost, you will not lose much, okay? You will not lose much. So you lost something you can easily recover, all right? So I manage people account, and whatever I make out will split it by 50-50. That's the point I am raising here, okay? And I also mentor people myself too, all right? So if you're interested to do this on your own, which is the best thing you can do for yourself, all right? It is the best you can do for yourself, all right? If you're interested, you want to do this, you want to trade yourself, so you can also knock in for mentorship, which I am going to guide you. I'm going to teach you. I'm talking about synthetic. We talk about price actions more, all right, here. So we'll do it by price action. We'll check out what the market structure looks like and follow it by the market structure, and why applying patience to, all right, and what are the candlesticks, and see what is happening, all right, as 1 hour time close, 4-hour time close and all of that. And if you also want to take it to enter daily, you can. I can do that as well too. So all of that, I'm going to show you how you can go about it, okay? So if you want, I'm talking about mentorship, if you want to be a mentor that big and do this yourself, you can call in for mentorship, all right? So I also want to say to you that I also have a group that I manage that I call the VIP group, where I drop my work, my signals that I make out for the day. I drop it on that channel for people that will trade and make money, all right? Of course, you subscribe to join on that channel, all right? You subscribe to make money, all right? So when you're part of that channel, be rest assured you're making money from the signal I'm going to be dropping down there, all right? So I'm talking about the VIP community where we have winners, all right? Where we have winners all days. So if you want to join us and make money as a drop trader, or you can join us to make money. All right, so all of that is possible. So you can check me out. As you're seeing this video, you can go to the description of this video where you get every of my details, my contact. If you want to talk to me through WhatsApp, you want to call my line, you want us to link up through Telegram, all of that is kept there. All right, so that's how you can reach out to me. All right, so I want to say to you that I'm dropping a very wonderful strategy for VIX75. Okay, trade this and make money. All right. I'm holding on it. I'm holding on a trade right now, right? So you can see, I'm going to state the reason why I play this trade, and you can see what is happening. All right, I can decide to close because I can decide to close with what I have already. All right, because I know I have gathered some little. All right, so now I want to show you how this one works. Okay, so now before you place a trade there are conditions you have to look out for. All right, so the conditions are, somebody will ask, what are the conditions? Okay, the condition is what I am going to show you here. All right, before you place a trade on this, as you follow up, which I am going to show you the settings I'm using here as well too. So do well to follow up, watch the video to the end so you can get all the necessary information. Meanwhile, subscribe to this channel and like the videos, and leave some good comment and turn your notification on, and join us in the VIP group, and also mentorship and account management programs, and also have the free Telegram link where I drop signal once in a while in that group. Okay, so all of that is possible here. So meet us and join us. We are all winner right here in John Beck's FS. Okay, we are all winner. If you want to be part of the winner, you can join us down here in John Beck's FS and make yourself a winner too. All right, so here I am going to show you. All right, see the reason why I play this trade. So I was patiently following up this trend. All right, so the moment, although I supposed to have played this trade before this plays. All right, so I'm supposed to have this trade placed down here, but I missed it out. Okay, I was doing one or two things that kept me out of my phone for some time, but sometimes it's better to be late than you don't have it at all. Right? So right now, you see this, sometimes in trade, when it gets so far too, you forget about it. All right. So the reason why I insisted on placing this trade, because I had to cross-check some of the higher time frame, and I got to know that I'd actually time for me to make a place on this trade. Okay. Ordinarily, I shouldn't have placed this because this is the area I missed it at. I would have actually placed this trade the moment it got across this moving average across my main chart. Mind you, this is 15 minutes time frame, right? The moment it got across this area, that's when I would have placed this trade. Where I have my Excel probably is where I would have placed this trade, but I missed it out. But then no problem, I'm making money already. All right. So now this is it. So I have to wait for this condition to meet up here. So you see this red line, the moving average, and the blue line and the black line, those are the moving average. So the moment I got this line crossed each other, the red line crossed each other, so it was good for me to place a trade. And I also got this information down here too, and you can see here too, I have this the two moving average across the indicator window one. Within this region, this is the oversold region, right? This is the oversold region. So the moment I got this two lines cross each other within this area, so I knew it was time for me to place a trade. So I have to quickly place this trade, and I'm having what I had now, right? I'm having what I have now, all right? So I quickly play this trade. So I want to show you more of the example of more of a kind of example, so you can easily know, so you can know that this is not faking. Okay, you can see this. Okay, you want to buy now. So this is the same condition you have to watch out. This is the overbought region, right? This is the overbought region. So you have these two. You have the moving average, the three line across the main chart. So you see this one across each other. The red line across the two other line, and you can have your trade placed within here. You can have your trade placed here and have your SL placed here. All right. So if there's any drawdown or any retracement, it won't take you much. All right. So you can easily lose what you can recover. All right. So that is how it works. So you can see you have all of this. You have all of this. All right. You have all of this. So I am showing you a very wonderful strategy that I know it works for me, and I know it works for every other person too that wants to. It will work for every other person that wants to apply this strategy. All right. So what you need to do is just to keep to the condition and follow it by patience. All right. Do it by patience. All right. So this is it. All right. You have this, and you can see all of this. All right. So you know how much you're going to be making out as you're trading this 75. You know this pair can actually move. All right. So you see all of this. You see all of this. All right. So you're getting all of this. All right. So I don't want to waste much time with this video. So let me quickly show the setting we are using here. All right. So this is the setting we are using. I am using this. So this setting we are using. We have three moving average across our main chart, and these are the informations. All right. So you have this parameter, right? The period is 8, and the shift is 0. Method is exponential. Apply to close, right? And the styles we are using piezo 4. All right, with any color of your choice. Anyway, you want here, you can apply the color of your choice. So I'm done with this first moving average, and the second moving average we are going to be using is this one. All right, so the period is 13 and the shift is 0, and the method is linear weight and apply to close. The color I'm using here is color black, so you can use any color you want. All right, the third I'm using still on that chart, still on the main chart. These are the parameters. Period is 14, shift is 0, method is simple, and apply to close, and the styles I'm using, you can see, so you can use any color you're trying. Done with this. So I'm showing you a very wonderful strategy, all right? So the next we are using is the relative strength index, which will form our indicator window 1, all right? This one will form our indicator window 1. So these are the parameters we are using here too. All right, so you can see the period is 14, apply to close. The styles I'm using the color of my background, right? And this is the level, all right? This 50 level is the TP level, all right? And this 90 level and 10 level is where you want to buy, or you want to sell from. This 15 and 85 level is where you want to buy from. Okay, you're selling from the 90, 10 level and buying from the 15, 85 level. All right. So the next indicator we are using here is a moving average. All right. Is going with our indicator window 1. All right. So these are the information. The parameters we are using is period is 10, shift is 0, method is exponential, apply to close, and this styles can use color, any color of your choice. I am done with this. So the last and not the least is this one we are using. So, all right. So you can take note of this. All of this. So I'm done with this. So this is a very wonderful strategy that you want to use and make money. So I'm not scared. I know my trade will run down to my TP area. So it's either I hit this TP here or it hit this TP. So once this moving average move down to this TP, move down to this 50 zone, this 50 level, which is TP, I can close that without waiting for this one. All right. So I am showing you a strategy that I have tried and I have tested it already. I'm having it down here. All right. I'm having it down here running again. All right. So this is a mass strategy that you need to make money. All right. So just follow up all that I've showed you here. All right. Trust me, you're going to be making money. All right. So at this point, I want to leave you here and I want to wish you the very best as you use this strategy. And I want to I'll say to you to trade with patience and make sure you look out for the market structure very well. Price action speak more. If you want to win, you have to watch out for the price action. You have to do more of price action and get it right, okay? All right, so I am leaving you, and welcome back, guys. Welcome back, guys. I welcome you, all of you, back to John Beck's FS. All right, so let's win together. Let's make money together. I wish you the best. Bye.